Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Wi-Fi adapter driver in Xcode 10 in Windows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your computer is powered on and ready. Start by identifying the make and model of your Wi-Fi adapter. Visit the manufacturer's official website to locate the drivers section. Search for your specific Wi-Fi adapter model on the website. Download the latest driver compatible with your version of Windows. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded driver file and double-click to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now, press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager from the search results. In Device Manager, locate the Network Adapters section. Expand the drop-down to find your Wi-Fi adapter listed. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Check the device status box to see if any errors are reported. If you see code 10, this indicates that the device cannot start. To resolve this, first, right-click on the adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking. After the uninstallation, restart your computer once more. Once your computer has restarted, go back to Device Manager. Click on Action in the menu bar, then select Scan for hardware changes. The system will automatically detect the Wi-Fi adapter and reinstall the driver. If the reinstall does not resolve the code 10 error, return to the manufacturer's website. Download any additional drivers or updates that may be listed. Install these updates following the same method as before. After installation, restart your computer again. Finally, check Device Manager to ensure there are no error codes listed. Your Wi-Fi adapter should now be functioning properly without any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.